Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share like a 5 snacks ideas. They are super simple, easy to make and super delicious also. I don't like the long process, food. I don't like if any food is like taking too much time. I just don't like them. So that's why I like super easy and super simple food, like easy to make and less ingredients. You know what I mean to say. So yeah, so I feel like I have to share these recipes with you. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So for this recipe you just need some mangoes. I cut them into slice and I just froze them about like on one day. If you don't have that much time, you can froze them like couple of hours, like 4 to 5 hours will work. And I'm gonna froze them right now, as you can see. And also some roasted nuts. Here is I'm using like almonds and sesame seeds and the what do you call, like the pumpkin seeds, and some chilled milk, thick milk, and some ice cube. So now I'm starting off with my frozen mangoes and add some ice cubes, and after that I will add some dry fruits which I roasted earlier, and then I'm add some like thick milk, and after that I add like 2 tablespoon of sugar, and then pinch of salt to balance the sweetness, because I like using salt in my every sweet dishes, cause I like it. Now you just have to blend this like really smooth batter, and your drink is ready. It's the yummiest drink I ever had, guys. Must try this one. And I'm just adding some dry fruits on top. So in this case you just have to replace the mango with the banana, and the rest of the products are the same, but you just have to add milk little bit more, because the banana it's get little clumsy and thick, so that's why you just have to add little bit more milk, and the rest of the products are the same. So yeah, and this is the final result, guys. But if you are making like any kind of shakes, like milkshakes with fruits, you have to freeze them at least like one day or maybe 5 hours. That's kind of make everything really smooth and really nice, and it tastes really good. And also if you are making like a banana shake, make sure that you are using roasted almonds or roasted like nuts. That's like smell amazing. That's kind of hide the banana smell. And for this recipe you just need some fresh green chilies, some sliced onion, some sliced carrot, and also some chopped garlic. This is the main ingredient, and some sliced capsicum. So now let's prepare the noodles. For this you just have to add some salt to the hot water, and also some oil, and then you just have to add your noodles, and you just have to cook this for like 7 minutes, and after that you just have to wash it with some cold water. And now for the sauce, I'm just adding 1 spoon of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, and 1.5 spoon of soya sauce, and mix it well. And after that I'm just adding some black pepper and also some sugar, kind of, sugar is kind of balance it everything out. I just like my sauce like this. You can use and in the kadhai add some oil, some carrots and some capsicums, some green chilies, some onions, and I'm just cooking for like 2 minutes. Make sure that your veggies are not too crunchy and not too soft. Yeah, I like my veggies like this way, so yeah. And after that I'm just adding my garlic. Make sure that you are not burn your garlic. That's not, we are not looking for burning garlic. We are looking for like crunchy and some flavor of garlic. I'm very bad at explaining anyway. And also adding my sauce which I made earlier, and after that I'm just stirring a bit and also adding my noodles and just everything mixing up really well. So make sure there is no white noodles left over. So I just mixing well, just see. And this is the final products look like. I know it's not looking super appetizing, but it tastes really good. You can give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this video, and if this video is helpful for you, then please guys do share, subscribe and like my video. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you next time, bye.